How to add subtitles to a YouTube video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of adding subtitles on a YouTube video. The first step is to upload your video right here. And what you have to do is to fill up the details in the first phase of uploading process. And this is an important step. Make sure that you declare the language that is being spoken in the video to help YouTube detect the right timing. Now what you can do is to proceed to the video elements and add subtitles. Then, click AutoSync. Now you can copy and paste your script here and let YouTube do its job. Finally, click Done if you are done and start publishing your video. Additionally, if you want to add creative subtitles to your video, feel free to visit the Kapwing website or vid.io. They both have technology that can detect the words being said in your video, so you won't even have to type them one by one. However, please note that these are paid tools, so if your videos are monetized, it may be a good investment to increase the quality of your videos. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.